So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add stickers to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva's open up on your device, what I want you to do is to go into the Elements tab. So go to the left-hand side of your screen, right below Design, and then I guess above Text, press on the Elements tab. Once Elements is opened up, simply just scroll down all the way until you come across the stickers option right here. Then you can press on See All. Now, once you're on the stickers page, there's a bunch of different stickers to select. There's arrow stickers, word stickers, food stickers, shape stickers, etc. You can scroll down, find trending ones as well. Basically, whatever's here in front of you guys, you can use at your disposal. So, for example, if you wanted to use an emoji, you can press on See All. I'll use the emoji right here of this happy face bouncing up and down, just like that, and voila. Very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to add stickers to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.